Hello.
I'm Kyle.
And I'm Collie.
Welcome to our channel.
Today we are at the Hyde Mill water mill. This is a cool area, and this is one of the most videoed or photographed water mill here in Wisconsin. Let's go check this out. I think this is going to be a neat little excursion. This is the Hyde Mill Stone Dam, built in 1850. Looks like a few people have lost their lures and their lines up here for fishing down here in the water. Now, as you can see here, this is private property, and they do not want you to be going into here. But let's look at what they have. The fence itself is pretty neat. As you can see here, these are some of the stones that were from the mill. Let's go down here and see what this sign says. No man shall take the nether or the upper millstone to pledge, for he taketh a man's life to pledge. Each one of these millstones are actually kind of different. They're quite unique. As you can see, they are of all different sizes. This is just cool to see that the mill is actually working. The water here is actually fairly clear, and it looks like it's pretty deep too. We did find out that the stone mill actually is in full operation, and it produces about $300 worth of electricity each month for the current owners. So that's kind of cool to know that it actually is in use and is operational. Okay, guys, we have spotted wildlife. There's a turkey going behind the tree. Oh, wait, look, it's Sasquatch. We are here at this historical site where every stone in this building was moved here, stone by stone. Back in 2000, they took the stones down, and back in 2008, they had a stonemason put this building back together exactly the way it was. So let's go check out this building. We are here at the Hyde Blacksmith shop, and this is the building that they took each brick down stone by stone and replaced them. Unfortunately, right now, we're at the time of day where we couldn't get in even if they were open, but that's okay. We can still check it out and look at it. I'm not even sure that we could go inside, to be honest with you. But, yeah, this is a really neat area. It's just a nice little community.
You have it open. However, I'm sure that if we deep dove on Google just a little bit more, we could find some more information and just find out a little bit more of the legacy of this community. But as we walk around, again, you can see
Now, can you imagine having to put all this back together, let alone take it apart? But these doors, that's pretty neat. Pretty awesome, actually. But figuring out where each one of these stones would go, as well as putting in the windows. So here in the window, you can see a few of the tools that a blacksmith would use. These are just a few of the tools that they have. Here's some of the horseshoes, as well as some of the tools. Sorry guys, the windows are just dirty. But here's some of the tools and stuff that would be used in the workshop. And I'm not sure if you can see back there, but there's an anvil right there. Yeah, there you go. There's an anvil that is used. This is a neat little area. If you get a chance and you're in the Hyde, Wisconsin area, come by and check out the blacksmith shop, because at some point it might be open that you'll be able to get to see inside and get to see some of the history that is involved with this. So check it out. So this is a neat little building. It is on private property, so we don't want to be going and messing with anything. The house was built in 1843 and the barn was built in 1852. That's pretty cool. It was a stagecoach stop from 1844 to 1883. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and comment so we can keep the channel growing. Thanks for watching.